नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, visitors, viewers, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, two-way video conferencing, Facebook Live, YouTube Live. Today, Navaratri, ninth day, of course, ninth day. By tomorrow, 10th day, Dasara festival will be concluding. As I said in the first day itself, 10 days and 9 nights. Today is the 9th night. We will be celebrating the Navaratri. Devi Adishakti is gracing in the form of Mahishasura Mardini, slaying the demon in the form of buffalo. The buffalo demon, the demon who came in the form of buffalo, she is slaying with Lakshmi and Saraswati serving her. Every day Chandi Homa is happening in the temple. Today there will be Kanya Puja, Sumangali Puja, Swasini Puja, Kumari Puja, Vaduga Puja. All the rituals will be done in a grand way. And Venkateshwara Brahmotsavam, Srinivasa is gracing on the horse vehicle. Is riding the horse. Let's receive both their blessings and enter into satsang.
Om Atadhupaha Om Dhurvasiddhurvadurvantan Dhurvatayosman Dhurvatidam Dhurvayam Vayam Dhurvamastvam Devanam Asisastitamam Papritamam Jishtatamam Vanditamam Devahutamam Amritavasirhavirtanam Mrigum Haswamahva Mitrasya Tvachakshusha Prekshema Birma Samviktama Tvahigum Tisham Dhupam Agrapayami Ataddeepah Om Uddipya Swajata Vedo Pagni Niridam Mama Pashogushchamakyama Vahajivanam Chadisho Disha Manohigam Sijata Vedo Kamashvam Purusham Jagate Abhibradagna Agahishriyama Paripataya Ekaharati Deepam Sandarshayami Naivedyam Omastraya Namaha Om Madhuvatarayate Madhukcharanti Sindhavaha Madhina Santoshadihi Madhunaktamudoshasi Madhuvatparti Vagum Rajaha Madhudyorastunah Pita Madhumano Vanaspatil Madhuvagum Astasuryaha Madhirgavo Bhavantunaha Madho 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 Amritam Mahanivedyam Nivedayami आरात्रिकम् ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसह्य साहिने नमो वयं वैश्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वैश्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षान् धारयामि.
Yes. Today I came to Satsang just to give you guys the update about the alchemy products getting ready for Sadashivoham. I am pushing, and day and night I am sitting and doing the energizing process to give it to this inner awakening participants itself. And all the products we need has arrived, but the alchemy processing means energizing and all that is going on last 2 days. I hope surely I'll be able to provide many of the yantras and many of the alchemy products which I'll be sharing in Sadashivoham for this inner awakening participants itself. Actually, there will be 2 products energized with Adi Shakti and Sadashiva's energy, which will be kept in this and sealed, which is getting ready to create the space of making what you want as reality, the process which you are doing from yesterday. So it's actually named in the Hindu tradition as Kulisa Mandala. Exact word is the Kulisa Mandala, means the alchemy product which keeps you in high energy to manifest whatever you want as reality. And these are the yantras of the 7 chakras, the gods and goddesses who reside in the 7 energy centers you have. And this is the cosmic DNA, the DNA of the whole cosmos, Sri Yantra. This forms the basis, Meru Standila, on which the Adi Shakti and Sadashiva will be invoked in another one product and kept here, which is not here now. Once it is ready, I will keep and seal it and then share it with all of you today. Today or tomorrow. Sorry, today or tomorrow. Because, see, after energizing, I have to test it whether the energizing is completely done. Like a Jnananjana, even though I complete the procedure as per Agama, finally I test it. So by today I will finish the testing and then share it with all the inner awakening volunteers by tomorrow. So each of the yantras of the Mooladhara, Swadhisthana and Manipuraga, Anahata and Anandagandha and third eye. Please understand, even though Anandagandha is placed here, it is connected to third eye. So Mooladhara and Swadhisthana is pair, Manipuraga and Anahata is pair, Vishuddhi and Sahasrara is pair, Anandagandha, Anya and Anandagandha is pair. So these 2, Anya is a third eye, Anandagandha is between the Anahata and Manipuraga. So all these chakras, they are represented here with their gods, and even if you just keep it near your bed where you sleep or where you spend more time, I'll try to give 2 pieces for everyone, so you can keep one in your bedroom, one in your office. So does it work? If you have a doubt, I guarantee with all my integrity it works. It works. Fools ask, Nattagallum pesumo nadanulli irukkaiyil. Nattagal pesum nadan tottal. Nadan tottagal pesum. People ask, how can stone speak when God is inside? I say, stone will speak if God touches. Fools are those who ask, Nattagallum pesumo nadanulli irukkaiyil. Nattagal pesume nadan tottagal pesume. If you just keep where you are sleeping, preferably under pillow or at least near your bed, constantly you will be kept in high frequency, and the tiredness and boredom will be sucked away, removed from your biomemory, that naturally manifests the higher energies and system. Your biomemory and muscle memory will be capable of higher experiences. Last 2 days, the energizing is going on. Yesterday I started, and I have some more yantras to give you. In yantra itself there are 2-3 varieties where the deity represents in the line form or in the actual form, like a visual form. So various types of those mandalas. I am collecting the whole procedure. The system is from Kamika Agama. From Kamika Agama, I am following the whole system, the whole procedure. First, all the inner awakening participants who are here will receive. Then, all the inner awakening volunteers, and then all the Nityananda Yogam participants, and all the Sadashivoham participants, I will send it to you now itself. So prepare, keep this in your place where you are sleeping, and prepare your body and mind before you come here itself. So work will be easy for me. When you come here, please bring it with you. Don't miss it. When you come here, bring it with you, because we will need this during the process. But I will send it to you now itself. Just in next few days I will be preparing batch by batch, batch by batch. The priority will be first batch, this inner awakening batch, and then the inner awakening volunteers, then Nityananda Yogam volunteers, Nityananda Yogam participants, then all the Sadashivoham, people who have enrolled. For all of you, I will be sending it. And I will also send the detailed procedure of how to use it or maintain it. There is nothing else need to be done, just you have to keep it in the place where you are sleeping or working, and do not disrespect it. Like don't put it under your feet, don't let the pets walk on it or jump on it or do susu on it. Just do not disrespect, that's all, nothing else is. No other puja is required. You don't need to do any special puja and maintenance. Actually, it represents your body. It represents your body. And it's a very systematic science of infusing the higher energy and preparing your body and keeping it ready, capable of holding the higher energies. The kulisa, which is supposed to be the source, the soul, consciousness in this body, is getting ready. And by today or tomorrow it will be ready. Once it is ready, I will show you all. The science and the system is based on Kamika Agama. Kamika Agama elaborately explains, and some of the great Siddhas like Agastya and Sattamuni, Vamadeva, Kapila, some of the great Munis and Siddhas explain these sciences in a detailed form in a scripture called Valai Pusai Vidhi. Valai means Bala, Devi, Adi Shakti. Puja Vidhi means the methodology of worshipping and invoking Adi Shakti in your body and mind. And I'll also give you some more details. This is not black magic. And lot of wrong understandings spread about us. Black magic, witchcraft, all that is a lie. This has nothing to do with black magic or witchcraft. It is purely spiritual alchemy science from original Agamas and Vedas, from original Vedic Agamic traditions. There are some more things getting ready. The Inner Awakening participants, I'll try to push it and get it done before you leave. But even if you leave, I'll see to it that it is dispatched. But I'll see to it that you get it before you leave. That is what is my priority. If few of you, last few of you, because, and I also commit with you, I will not compromise on integrity, the quality. Even if it takes little time, allow me to have my time, but I will not compromise on the power of this product. The integrity to the power of the product, I will not compromise. I will do it very, very systematically, and personally I am a very orthodox person. Personally I am very orthodox person, and all this very detailed, very systematic, and I will not compromise on these things, even if in the leaf in which the Nivedyam has to be kept. If you actually see in the stage, this leaf we separately buy. It comes from all the way from Salem. The leaf in which we keep the Nivedyam, see the leaf, this leaf is not available anywhere here. But Agama says, on this leaf only you can keep the Nivedyam. We transport all the way from Salem to here. Even the leaf, we don't compromise on it. So, I commit with you the quality and power of this alchemy product with all my integrity. And the last few of you, last maybe 10, 20 of you, if I am not able to push it before IA ends, I'll send it to you guys. Don't be incomplete about it. I'm really pushing the time. See, the multiple things I have taken it up. One, the Inner Awakening sessions. Second, I am continuously training and energizing and initiating the Balasans to the next level of powers and training them. And then Nityananda Yogam, and then Sadashivoham preparations, and of course I am not talking about running the cosmos. So that is actually automated. And whatever is not automated, where I have to intervene, is taking too much of time. I came today morning to the satsang just to introduce the various things getting ready for Sadashivoham, and it's actually a combination of masculine and feminine principles. Brahmanda Yoni and Brahmanda Linga means the male energy from which the whole cosmos originates is called Brahmanda Linga, and the female energy from which whole cosmos originates is called Brahmanda Yoni. These are the principles based on the Brahmanda Linga and Brahmanda Yoni, which is united and stored in a product which can radiate same in your system. And especially if you keep this near your bed, all incompletion between the spouse will disappear. So without even telling your spouse, you can complete. Suddenly, for no reason, so much of joy and peace and bliss will be there in the bedroom, the space where you sleep, and even in the office. It will bring a lot of sacredness, a lot of space inside. I tell you, what is wealth, you know? Having enough of inner space to take life and celebrate it is wealth. In your office, having enough of inner space, take the life, play with it, celebrate it, don't feel suffocated or cornered by it. Same way in your home, having enough space, having it, celebrating it, living it, radiating it, not feeling cornered by people, suffocated by situations, nothing. That is what is exactly life. These alchemy products are energized, programmed to create that in you. Actually, that is the real wealth, I am telling you. Having enough space and taking life joyfully, and actually when you are in that space, you will be 100 times more productive. 100 times more productive. Even productivity wise. So, get ready to have a spiritual blast with all the spiritual alchemy products. Today is also a very auspicious day. Tonight and tomorrow till evening, a very powerful presence of Adi Shakti falls on the planet Earth. And we worship all our weapons. Saraswati is worshipped. Ayudha Puja is done. Today the Chaturmasya ends formally. Nowadays Swamis end the Chaturmasya much early, but traditionally in Akkada and all, from Guru Purnima to Navaratri is Chaturmasya. Tonight it ends. Tomorrow is the day where the weapons are worshipped and they assume the weapons back. See, from Guru Purnima to Navaratri, sadhus cannot touch weapon. They have to study Shastra and be in Samadhi. Do all the spiritual practice. So from tomorrow, they can pick up the weapon and start the defense, travel, yatra, parivrajaka, everything they will start by tomorrow. So that's a tradition. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.